Hi everyone, this is a scrapbook process video showing how we use the shaving foam inky technique to make scrapbook layout backgrounds and also to make our own embellishments. So here you can see some of the prints that we made. The possibilities really are endless as you lift the prints. Great to get little ones involved. This is my son here making the shaving foam layer, and then we are spritzing the inks directly onto the shaving foam. We found using the Dylusions Dreamy ink sprays a really good option. They're highly pigmented and as you can see they really colour the foam really well. We also like using the Distress Oxide sprays. They give a bit more of a chalky finish and a really great coverage. So you can see here we're creating a swirly pattern in the inks on the shaving foam, and this is getting ready for our first lift print. So here you can see our first print. You need to press some good quality card into the shaving foam, and this is how it lifts. And the key here is using either an old credit card, or we have the Simon Hurley craft scraper tools here to just scrape back all the shaving foam. And underneath you can see from that swirly pattern, the lift print that you get is just beautiful. Here we've got some Distress Oxides, we've got some of the Dreamy ink sprays, and you can see every lift print is different. Really great fun to see what prints you get. And then the key here is what you're going to do with these prints. And as an avid paper crafter and lover of making scrapbook pages, I chose some of our favourite prints, and then I turned them into, first of all, a scrapbook layout background, and then I stamped some florals and fussy cut those to create my own layout. So thanks for stopping by to our channel, and we'd love you to like and subscribe.